Okay, so after assembling all the body parts of our character inside the graphic symbol in Adobe Animate Creative Cloud 2017, we can now apply or use Bone Tool and create an armature in it. So we now go to Adobe Animate Creative Cloud 2017. So we have the graphic symbol named boy. Double click that one. Okay. So but before we create an armature, let us duplicate this graphic symbol. Duplicate and name it boy underscore movement 1. So why we duplicated it is because so that we can create several movements of our character. So we go inside boy underscore movement 1, and this is where we will put the armature or apply the bone tool. So check that we're inside the boy underscore movement 1 graphic symbol. Here it is. And then where can we find bone tool? It's of course in the tools panel, and it's shaped like a bone. Here it is. Okay, so you click that one, and then you just connect all the body parts of your character. So from the body, connect it to the head, and then to the arm, going to the hand. Another one to the other arm, and then connect it to the other hand. And then going to the hip and to the upper leg and lower leg. Another on the other side of the body, and going to the lower leg. So we now have an armature for our character, and take note, it automatically creates another layer, which is the armature of the character. So later on, we can now make the movement of our character by moving the bones to the angle that we want to have for the body part of the character.